Hello, I'm Eli, and today we're gonna be doing Nerf gun target. I only got 5 bullets in here right now, so I get to pick up my 3 more bullets and see my score. And some bullets are like messed up, like I'll shoot it and it come out like that, but I don't know what bullets those are. So if you see me like picking up another bullet, I'm not cheating. I'm just getting my try because that's not fair. Yeah. So I am shooting from over here. Oh, and this is my friend Daryl.
What up? Make sure
yeah, make sure that you go subscribe to his channel. I'm in his videos. Well,
my channel.
Yeah,
It's gonna be King Mills. I'm not King Mills. I'm saying my cousins. So make sure I go subscribe to him though. King Mills TV. But mine is Kid Perfect TV. So yeah, let's get right to the video.
Want to go after me?
Well, after I gotta get. Y'all see all this baby stuff? That's his sister's baby. So
yeah,
that's why I see all this baby stuff.
All right, record. Oh, I suck.
Oh, he missed it. He got one. He missed that. He got that one. He missed that one.
Alright. I get 3 more.
Alright, so he knocked these 2 down. He only got 2.
Oh yeah, 2.
Wait, wait. Why did that fall?
I shot it. I shot that one. And it was only 3 right here. It was 3 right here.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're right. It was 3 right here and it was 1 up top. So these 2 is out the picture, so I'm just gonna move it. And do it again.
So I'm not cheating. 3 more bullets, okay? I have 5. Now I got 3.
That was horrible.
Because that was a bad bullet.
He popped that one.
Okay, I did 1 more because remember that one right there.
This bullet is bad, guys.
Yeah, sucks.
So he got this one. He got a small one. So he got 3 bottles out the picture. So I'm just gonna take this one and set them on with the other ones.
And I got 1 more bullet because dang. Oh, alright.
It's right there.
Alright.
You want that one?
No, yeah, I want this one. Okay, now I'm gonna try to get 2 down. Wait, 1.
But shoot that middle one.
Yep. Oh! Well, I got 4 out of 4. I got 50%. Because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And I got these 2 down and those 2. I didn't think I was going to get that one down. I accidentally shot that one down. I was aiming for this. So, yeah, do you want to do it? No?
Yeah.
Alright, you want to go? Okay, what's the...
I was gonna do something. What are you doing?
The video might end by
Newcomers.
itself. The video...
Newcomers, bro. Look at this newcomer. Shut up. What are you doing? I'm trying to set it up, boy. I'm a YouTuber. Okay, I know what I'm doing.
I'm just saying, the video end on you. That's what I'm saying. Guys, the video might end by itself so I'll leave in the description what he got, what his score was.
Yeah, you just hold it.
Yeah, for real.
What other bottle?
Okay.
I hope I do good though.
Hurry up and set it up for the video. No,
why are you facing it that way?
Because I
You're not
want to.
supposed to face it.
All right, whatever.
Wait, let's see.
You gotta here. How about hold set him up, guys. I'm just gonna put the video right here, cause we gotta set up the we gotta get the bullets.
You gotta get the bullet.
Dang.
Let me see. I hold it.
Here, hold it. Yeah.
Sorry, I keep on flipping it, cause I have a different phone from him. So yeah. It stopped. Oh no, then. No, it's a flash. I'll turn back on the flash.
I don't know, just leave it off.
Alright, so I thought y'all can't see me.
Here, bro.
For the
I
flash.
can't find the other bullets. Where the other ones?
Load up. Alright, let's hope I do good, man.
No, let's boo that he doesn't good. Let's hope he doesn't do good. Here. You got any bullets? No. Yeah. We about to be done. Want to just do it separate?
What?
Your video separate. Your video separate.
Alright, so we gonna end the video off.
Yeah. Sorry guys. I'm gonna do it separate.